believe that I would let them experience the Quezon Province. For it is through experience that we will be able to see the beauty of our province, from having pristine beaches, beautiful mountain ranges, and enchanting falls. To learn the rich cultural heritage of our province, and to share our experiences with other people. By unifying what we saw, what we learned, and what we shared, it is only by then that we will be able to grow and cultivate love. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Binibining Pagbilao.
Hi, good evening everyone, and happy Niyogyugan Festival. Thank you for that question. I would like to focus on the digital presence and also promoting our province, Quezon, because it is time for us to elevate Quezon to the world and to embody the Binibining Niyogyugan title with a higher mission. I would like to share my core story. Even though life may seem imperfect, just like in my case, this is the second time that I'm joining Binibining Niyogyugan. And hopefully, I'll win the crown tonight. And also, I have been a victim of bullying, but I believe that you can still rise up and reclaim your destiny to come back stronger and be Binibining Niyogyugan 2023. And with that, I am more than ready to continue our province's beauty and legacy, because Quezon is not just a first class, but it is a world class. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Binibining 23, Merel Redor from General Luna.
And here's our Binibining Sampaloc. Hi, Binibining Sampaloc. How are you doing?
Aside from social media, I believe that we can use ourselves as a mode of tourism to promote the beauty of Quezon and the Quezonians as well. And if I'm given a wonderful opportunity to be your Binibining Niyogyugan 2023, I would like to instill in the minds of everyone that we should be proud to be Quezonians. We should be proud of our beautiful places, our amazing food, and the people, and the love that we have for our nature and environment. Aside from the BBB project that I already started, I'd also like to inspire everyone through my story that even though I am diagnosed with an involuntary movement disorder, I can still be here in this pageant and show my best version and make the Niyogyugan crown a crown with a purpose. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Binibining Sampaloc.
Thank you for the wonderful question. I'd like you to all welcome to my host city at Niyogyugan event. So to answer, this is a great platform to showcase the beauty, the culture, the traditions of the Quezon Province. That's why I'm standing right here in front of you to showcase and promote how Quezon Province is beautiful. With its natural resources, its scenic view, and the people of Quezon Province you'll truly love. It's just as much as I want to make this Binibining Niyogyugan title purposeful, I will do my duties and responsibilities to promote the Quezon Province as the most beautiful province here in Quezon, not just only in the Philippines, but to the whole world as a whole. And to also add, an empowered queen that can inspire a lot of our dear Quezonians that a voluptuous woman like me that has been discriminated once can still stand tall and leave a message that we must embrace our uniqueness and work together to create a brighter future for all of us through a purposeful life. Good evening and thank you.
Thank you once again, Binibining Lucena.
How are you doing, Binibining Sariaya?
Okay lang po.
All right.
Masaya sa isolation room. As the festival queen with an influential aura of beauty, I will promote and take the responsibility, and that is to promote the Niyogyugan Festival, which is to showcase our local products, colorful traditions, and beautiful people. I will serve as an ambassador of our beloved province and bring every Quezonians together to love and support this Niyogyugan Festival more.
Through this, we strengthen this coveted celebration annually, which will help to boost our tourism progress. So let us join our hands in our goal of being included in the tourism calendar of events, making Quezon Province a top tourist destination that will show to the entire world that we truly love the Philippines. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alona from Sariaya.